Let's look at payment authorization with Keycard. First, you sign in to the status app using the passcode. You then go into the wallet where you have some ETH, and let's say you want to send 0.005 ETH to someone. You choose the recipient address, in this case by scanning a QR code. All this information is used by the status app to create a transaction which has to be signed with your wallet's private key that is stored in your keycard. When you click Sign with Keycard, it shows you the secret 3-word signing phrase. You now have to enter your passcode to authorize this transaction. And there it is, you have successfully authorized a crypto transaction by signing it with your key from the keycard.